Hey everyone, so some crazy news for hype coins, meme coins, and Shiba Inu alike. Be sure to drop a like because this is a very, very important news. You have to see this. Now, even Elon Musk can't save Dogecoin from crashing another 60%. And what happened? Well, a big dump from whales happened, that's what. And what we can see for Shiba Inu right now is it has crazy amount of potential. So be sure to drop a like so others can see this, and in turn, we can grow Shiba Inu together. Now, Dogecoin is dropping faster than any of other coins, which could indicate that Shiba Inu is actually coming in its spot. I'm not gonna lie, it's looking more and more with a massive potential, but the meme cryptocurrency has crashed by over 60% by its May 8th peak, and one analyst believes it has another 60% deeper to go. So it could drop below as 10 cents. If one looks at Dogecoin charts from one of the view of financial chartists, he or she will notice an alarming presence of classic barrier structure. So why exactly am I telling you about Dogecoin? Well, very simply put, if Dogecoin dies, either Shiba Inu goes up, or we could see, Dogecoin, dying as well, and Shiba Inu going along with it. But that's not the indicator. As Dogecoin goes down, Shiba Inu is actually going a bit up. For instance, Doom analyst, highlighted the pattern the trading structure forms when an asset tree peaks atop the So some predictionists have been saying, calling it program, the analyst hitting at a parent's tendency to crash asset once it breaks below 29 cents, and it did happen. And we're seeing, a lot of support for for Dogecoin dropping. Dogecoin actually making memes about it, but it's not helping the price anymore. The hype for Dogecoin is down. I don't think hype coins are dead, but it's just that Shiba Inu is getting more and more utility. It's getting more and more support. It's getting free $0 marketing, and the run up to 76 cents happened, but right now, it could go even lower. Dogecoin got 67% lower, and Shiba Inu was on top as well, but we could be seeing Shiba Inu being on rank 6. It could happen, there always has to be at least one meme coin in the crypto space. Especially, it's even better if Shiba Inu has a lot of potential by being, a coin that could grow very much more and could have much more potential. What worked as a bullish catalyst for Dogecoin was nothing but tweets from Elon Musk, and now the tweets don't help as much anymore. And that's what we're seeing. We're getting a lot more marketing for Shiba Inu in the future. A billionaire entrepreneur who sent out very supporting messages favoring the cryptocurrency during its multi-thousand price point rally. On April, Tesla CEO presented himself as a Doge father, sending the Doge prices up by 18%. Before that, the Musk decision to work with Dogecoin developers to improve its transaction efficiency resulted in 25 intraday price bump on May 18. But the frenzy-like Musk-led pump also left Dogecoin with little possibility of establish sustainable price floors. Making an assumption, Doge USD did hold, and we can see big drops. And therefore, before hitting Durgan's 1% price target, Dogecoin anticipates to find buyers in the 0.047 area. So, there's going to be a big drop. Meanwhile, the Asian investor does not expect technical levels to keep Dogecoin from crashing harder. So, in Seeking Alpha published this, the Dome analyst called Dogecoin a pump and dump token. So, it could be that Shiba Inu actually does win its spot right now from what the analysts are saying. And then the cryptocurrency would eventually crash to zero. That's because most of these coins grow with utility, and Shiba Inu has utility. Shiba Inu finally is proving to be a utility by itself. But Dogecoin, not really. I can't say that, no. With new pump and dump opportunities popping up every day, it's not appealing to invest into an asset that has already risen to so much, except Dogecoin to fall towards $0 this year and die a slow death. I'm hoping that doesn't happen because a lot of investors will lose money, but it could happen. Dogecoin, I know this video is a bit delayed, but Dogecoin is obviously dropping a lot, while Shiba Inu is not dropping that much. And being, on the Coinbase listing and so far, we are seeing big supports here. So Doge dumps as Dogecoin sponsor NASCAR driver crashes. Now everything crashes, Dogecoin, while Shiba Inu has only more and more updates. So it's the complete opposite right now. And the Dogecoin team to race car that crossed the finish line sideways after hitting a wall on Sunday appears to have served as a perfect metaphor for Doge's weekend performance. And we can see, Doge actually crashing here. So it seems like that the new hype coin is arriving, and that's not going to be Dogecoin, sadly. So we saw, the coin. Yeah, that's what happened with Dogecoin, basically. People have been selling after this, And yes, we saw this. You know, this was a huge partnership, and the faithful fans of the meme cryptocurrency have been revved up for the race. Everyone is super excited. The Doge finished the event in the last place. Despite the loss, Dogecoin supporters were grateful for the coverage. And the sponsors, you know, I mean, it just crashed it even more. And I feel kind of bad for Dogecoin right now because they raised 55,000 only to see the price crash, right? And when John ran the scheme, he was driving the number 98 car for Phil Firestone Racing. The sponsorship deal for a car race this past weekend was announced in early March. And, you know, having the opportunity to run a scheme that has an incredible story from my dad's race team is something I'm proud to do. But going off Dogecoin, that, you know, still has a lot of potential, we could be seeing major increases and also major drops for Shiba Inu. So this video is specifically about Shiba Inu. But I think it's very important to note here, this is some news you have to know. China's third largest bank rugs Bitcoin. 5 things to watch in Bitcoin this week. And we can see the spotlight on the Fed. And we can see they're all going to give us now the fine print of what was in the statement and what Powell said. So we could be seeing big crashes. Chinese bank deletes anti-crypto statement in minutes. Okay. Now that's important. Customer accounts participating in such activities will be closed and customer relationships will be terminated. And Bitcoin plummeted by $1,000 in minutes before rebounding to 33,000. So we're seeing big drops so far. The Agricultural Bank of China released an announcement saying any customer dealing with crypto will have accounts closed. 50 minutes later, it appears they deleted the notice. So it could be, you know, that it was kind of, you know, FUD. But 2021 getting rode by the third largest bank in the world. So that's what's happening so far. Half the Bitcoin network has now been shut down by China. Bitcoin hash rate at the levels of mid-2020. So we're seeing big drops. Could we be seeing a rebound? I don't think we need, you know, China is great support to Bitcoin, but if they keep banning this stuff, this will only crash Bitcoin even further. Now, China-dominated Bitcoin mining era may be coming to an end. Okay, so everyone was mining in China because it was pretty cheap. I think now is the time to actually prove for these coins like Shiba Inu to have its own utility. It will be source of rich irony for future historians to teach the world's free, open, and decentralized monetary network was secured in its early years by individuals inside... But Bitcoin's Rick Astley's are back. So coins are moving back to the holder who never deserts his Bitcoin. And we're finally seeing people actually buying Bitcoin back from what I'm seeing. There's a reaccumulation and holders are stacking Bitcoin heavily. As you can see, this green price chart, it means, you know, people are now expecting a big increase or they're seeing a big drop for Bitcoin. So it's definitely very early for Bitcoin right now. I think there could be massive increases. So bearish, even though we're still hovering around the same range, 35K total in line with previous bull markets. So what I'm saying here is Bitcoin and Shiba Inu are still very fresh. They could have a lot more potential in the future. If we check over here, there's a lot of news so far. Most of it is, you know, some of it is good, some of it is not good. Especially Minneapolis Fed President Neil calls Doge a Ponzi. And, you know, no bad FUD for Shiba Inu, but for Dogecoin, a lot of FUD is going on, or a lot of bad news is what we call it. The central banker previously referred to cryptocurrency as a giant garbage dumpster. So, of course, he doesn't like it. But actually saying it's a Ponzi, you know, Doge is a Ponzi, when the Minneapolis Fed president calls that, that's not good. I don't think that's good news for for Dogecoin, but it's definitely good news for Shiba Inu because Dogecoin is not growing right now. Doge was hit especially hard as Cointelegraph reported. Doge liquidations briefly surpassed Bitcoin in April, and Doge is crashing more than ever, and this is the right chance for Shiba Inu to step in and actually become the new Dogecoin. Not become a hype coin. No. It will become the first decentralized utility token with actual use cases. Now, we can also see 71 billion crypto has reportedly passed through blockchain island Malta since 2017. And I think this pretty much tells you that there's a lot of money in crypto. A membership body of 37 jurisdictions, the 2 regional organizations have flagged Malta's initial push to attract cryptocurrency businesses as problematic. So definitely a lot of things happening so far. It's still considered a favorable destination for crypto asset firms. So there's still a lot of potential for crypto so far. A lot of big banks are investing. They're testing digital currency-based security settlements. we're going to be seeing a lot more potential in the future. Iran government reportedly bans blockchain association. A crypto warning list is a main cause of the ban, according to the head of the Iran blockchain community. So there's, a lot of news out there for bad things for Bitcoin and blockchain. But we also have some good news that will drive the Shiba Inu's prices up. The central bank announced that Cryptologia and Mind the Coin will be able to operate in the country. So we're seeing first operating licenses, and this is the first adoption. So while some countries are banning Shiba Inu and all cryptocurrency alike, the reason why I'm talking about this news is because this news is very important for all SHIB holders. It's pretty clear to me that while Bitcoin might be regulated, while Shiba Inu might be regulated, a lot of these countries are actually accepting Bitcoin so far from what I'm seeing. Now, Bitcoin price dipped so much on consistent new China FUD, and it sheds thousands almost endlessly. China's third bank puts the cats among the pigeons in early trading. So, yes, that's what we're seeing so far. More China FUD right now, and I think as El Salvador accepts Bitcoin, and as a lot of countries start accepting Bitcoin, other countries will at least have to regulate it. They might not adopt it, but they will regulate it. And the country has become the source of headaches for Bitcoin bulls in the recent weeks as miners face a crackdown and officials reiterate the existing restrictions on cryptocurrency in place since 2017, which massively caused the price crashes. But in the future, we could be seeing more. They deleted the notice, but they will not participate in virtual currency transactions and related activities. Customer accounts participating in such activities will be closed and customer relationships will be terminated. So the Bitcoin network has just experienced the biggest attack in its history, Charles, CEO of Asset Manager, said on Sunday. So this might be a big drop, as we are seeing. But it's definitely not looking good for Dogecoin. But this is really good news for Shiba Inu. So the point of this video is, this is amazing news for Shiba Inu. If you're both, a Dogecoin holder and both a Shiba Inu holder, you might want to consider doing something else. I can't give financial advice, but it's pretty clear that Shiba Inu has started its path with reaching 2 million holders pretty much soon. By end of 2021, we should be seeing massive increases for Shiba Inu so far. So anyway, see you until next time. Peace, everyone.